Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share the benefits of mustard oil and how to use the mustard oil with aloe vera for hair growth. Okay, let's start. Mustard oil consists of alpha fatty acids that keep your hair hydrated. These fatty acids act as an excellent conditioner for our hair. It helps to reduce hair problems. Mustard oil is rich source of antioxidants, minerals and vitamins, all of which are important for our hair growth. Mustard oil is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which is one of the most important nutrients to stimulate hair growth. We can use mustard oil for hair growth in different ways. One of the simplest way to apply mustard oil is to heat the oil a little and massage it on your hair and scalp. Okay friends, let's see how to make and use this mustard oil and aloe vera pack. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. And 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Mix the ingredients well together. Here you can see our pack is ready. Apply this mixture on your scalp and keep it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Wash off your hair with mild shampoo and repeat this remedy twice a week to get effective result. This mix helps to promote hair growth, nourish your hair and prevent them from damaging. Okay friends, hope you like this video. If you like this one, please like the video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you.